Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set sleep timer on your TCL TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings. Then scroll down to device preferences menu, open it, and after that navigate to the screensaver menu. In screensaver, select the last option, which is sleep timer. And here you just have to select one of the values you see on the screen in order to set a sleep timer for the respective time that you choose. And you will see the tiny notification below screen timer, which will tell you how much time is left until your TV is switched off. And if you want to disable this feature, of course, just select it once again, select off, and then your TV will not have any sleep timer enabled. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.